Okay, guys. So, it looks like there's a huge storm coming through on December 14th, next Sunday. This is the guy he posted on Facebook. So, he posted the weather because he always smart because he knows where the snowstorm is going and where it's going to hit. So, yeah, there's a snowstorm coming through here on December 14th, which is on Sunday. But on Monday, I think the school will be closed during the weather closures. So, the school might be going to be closed on Monday. So, I believe what's going to happen. So, as you can see, there's a snowstorm coming through here on December 14th. Over the United States. So, I believe it's going to hit our area. And then, yeah, the school will be closed on Monday. So, I believe this is going to happen. It's going to happen. So, yep, this is what it's showing. Alright, thanks for watching.